Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife. You're back for another one. Like, how could I lose one I already chose? You get it. Today I'm doing a boho twist tutorial. You saw the thumbnail, you get the vibes. The gag is these are actually crochet twists, and I'm, for the first time in a long time, going to try to do crochet twists. You know? So this is the game plan. I'm thinking I'm gonna do like braids in the back, just like a loose crochet, and then I'm gonna do individuals in the front, so you know it looks cute, get the vibes. And it's probably gonna be like the whole front because I like to, you know, do different parts. So the whole front is gonna be individuals, and then the row in the back is gonna be individuals, and then the middle of my head is going to be just a braid up. That's what I'm thinking. But first, we have some hair things to get into. And by hair, I mean my hair. Now, let me take her down and let me show y'all. Because, you know, we're on a journey to grow my natural hair. It's been months. It's been now 3 months because it's March. And I got mine done like the end of December. And by mine done, I mean a trim. So it's now time for another trim, and I feel like I can really tell my ends need it. So I'm gonna do a trim with y'all. Mind you, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go through and get a trim. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair and get to trimming, and then we'll get to the style. But I want to show y'all that because I know if you're not new here, we're on a journey to grow our hair. If you have any hair growth tips, tricks, put it down in the comment section below, please and thank you. Especially hair retention. I feel like a lot of times when I do these protective styles, I do lose a lot of hair. Or not even just protective styles, even if I like braid my hair down for a wig and I keep the braids in for like a month, I notice that I'm losing a lot of hair. And I don't know if that's normal or if I should be losing less hair, but once again, if you got any tips and tricks, let me know. But anyways, let's get into this blow dry routine.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base.
Fresh new hair. Okay, come on. You see, look a little less see-through. We love that. Hopefully I did it in a good way. But now it's time for the braid out. I'm not gonna show y'all the braid out or me doing it because it's just gonna be a lot and I don't even exactly know how I'm gonna do it yet, but I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. So un momento. All right, y'all, we're back. I did individuals in the front, as you can see, and then braided the back up, as you can see. And we're gonna just start crocheting. Maybe beauty braid It's the 3 times boho crochet twist waterfall jumbo twist. Let me be exact. The extra long 34-inch. This is one I got. So I got it in 1B and I got it in like the H30 color. HT30 color. I got 3 packs in 1B. I got the 20-inch water wave Maybe Beauty braid, 3 times pack, 20-inch water wave. And so far so good. It's looking cute. So yeah, I'm gonna now crochet the back because I don't feel like twisting anymore, and then we're gonna do this side. So let's crochet.
You wanna get with me, stop it.
Okay, so we want these top ones to be close to each other because, you know, we're trying to make it seem like it's regular, and then the middle ones are just going to be kind of haphazardly, I guess is what I could call it. Okay, y'all, let me walk you through this. So I cut the bottom of the lock, right? Because I don't like the straight end. And then it's just me loosening it out. Please excuse the amount I'm really chewing this gum. I don't know why I had it in my mouth. So yeah, I take the twist out as neatly as I can, and I go in with crochet, and I crochet the twist underneath it, and I pull one side out so they're like half and half. And then I grab my hair and I just do a twist like I would do a twist. But I tried to line up like the marks from the marks that were already there. I try to line those up so then when I release it, it's nice and together. So that's what I do. I just twist down, and then I get the curly hair for the bottom. Before I get to the bottom, obviously I gotta hold it in my mouth to get it tight, and I just twist the curly hair into it so the bottoms are curly, and this is just me doing that. So I just add it in and just keep twisting until I get to the end. I don't secure it with anything. Probably should have, but currently I ain't had no problems yet, so that's good. But yeah, this is just me showing you again. I push it underneath and I pull one side through, and the other side stays just like that, and then I just twist down. This makes them a lot more secure. Even if they start loosening it up, they shouldn't slip out, and that's the important part. I'm not gonna be swimming or doing nothing crazy, just living my daily life, so they should stay fine. But yeah, one thing I will say though is don't put as much locks in your head as I did, because I OD'd at the beginning. Hey y'all, so we're back. This is the final look. Okay, the hair is very long and thick, so just so you know, you don't even need too much. I did end up using the full, what I have, 3 pack, well, not the full 3 packs. I used 3 packs, but not the full 3 packs. And then I didn't use that much of the curly hair either, so good. I even had to go in and take some out because it was quite heavy when I first did it. But yeah, y'all, this is the final look. This is the tee. Let me show you. You can flip it, get a little side part action. You feel me? I don't know how I feel exactly. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but you know, it's just, I won't have to do my hair for a little while, so that's good. So this is it. This is the final look. Hope you like it. If you like it, then like it, okay? Leave a comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and holla at your girl down in the DMs, down in the comment section. Let me know how you feeling about this look and me and everything. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Bye.